Alright, just a quick update on the Silver Vic. The driver's side front window was doing that where when you push up or down and when it hits the end then it goes clunk, 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 and also as you're driving every so often the window would maybe move down a millimeter or two, just enough where you get a little bit of a wind whistling sound. And so this is now the third window motor that's been in there, and you see it's loose. And I guess that's what makes it clunk. I'm guessing when it's powered it spins against the plastic gears inside or something. But anyway, the new one does not do that. You cannot turn it. It's solid. And I put it in. I didn't film it obviously because I've already filmed this repair before, but it's the same process. This sits in there actually in this orientation, so you got two bolts on the top, one on the bottom there. I opted for a different one this time, so instead of, like, this is a warranty from O'Reilly and I'm going to take it back and get another one from O'Reilly and that'll be my spare, but I went ahead and got one off of Amazon just to see, because that was two O'Reillys in a row that failed exactly the same. The first one failed, like, it may have been broken when I got it, but this one lasted for, I don't remember how long, but it's been doing it for a while, and I finally got around to changing it. But anyway, it's not a window regulator, it's definitely a window motor, and it's definitely the fact that that turns and it allows it to go clunk, 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 clunk when you're rolling it up or down and it reaches the end. Instead of stopping, it just keeps going. So there you go.